For those of you who don't know me, I'm Grayson, and this is my first vlog. And I thought for my first vlog, I'd show you guys what I do with the majority of my spare time, and that'd be off-roading. First, though, we have to stop and get an axe, because the last time I was off-roading, I discovered that the logging companies don't know how to do their job, and they just leave logs lying all over the road like fucking children. Alright, we have our axe now, and we're gonna go kill some hookers. It was shockingly hard to find an axe in Canadian Tire, which is disturbing because this is Canada and it's Canadian Tire. We're all lumberjacks here.
Didn't it take like 30 minutes?
Yeah, it was like 30 minutes to find an axe. So we're on our way into the wilderness right now. Adventure, truck, and axe. Right now,
The lumberjack shirt.
and a lumberjack shirt. I have a so this is my cameraman Zach. Let's go. Is operate the camera and make sure that I still get sexy even when I'm doing something really embarrassing. Just entered Seagull Left. This is where we're supposed to die.
Wait, this is the whole city?
This is the entire city. This is
Oh, I haven't.
I think it goes to die.
I haven't been here before. That's awesome. Roadhouse, you knew it was Roadhouse.
That was four buildings in the roadhouse. Alright, we've arrived in the wilderness.
So scary up here.
Yeah, there's rednecks, banjos,
Yeah,
butt rape,
a lot of that in Canada.
and lumberjacks. Lots of lumberjacks.
Lots of lumberjacks.
Let's get going. We've been on the trail for maybe 10 minutes and my tire's gone flat. I don't have a jack with me, so what we're doing right now is we're cutting this log down to size to use it as a makeshift jack for the truck so that I can put on my spare tire. Hopefully. But alright. Forgot my safety glasses. Definitely a good thing I brought an axe today. So you can cut. Oh, my tire's totally flat now. So I'm digging a hole. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the log that we just cut down into this hole and back the truck up onto it so that the log is backed up against this edge of the hole and it levers the truck up into the air so that I can change the tire. Yep. I throw it in four-wheel drive to suck.
Alright.
I forgot to lock in my front hub, so just my back tires were turning. Let's try this again, and this time I'll get it up in the air. several hours of effort, we finally got the tire off here.
Yay.
As you can see, it's starting to get dark. So we better get this tire off before the rednecks come. Also, there's bears. Try and get as much as you can. Alright, just had to dig it out a little bit more.
Yeah.
The tire under here.
What an adventure.
That should be enough now. It's on!
Perfect.
Alright, so now just put the lugs back on. We're ready. Oh, we're just tightening up the last bolts now. Oh, tires changed, now we can get the hell out of here. So we had to switch over to my phone because the camera that we brought died. Right, so I'm pulling it out now. So I finally made it back home with my truck with a very tiny tire on it. It's fucking ridiculous. And the truck looks fucking retarded now. So that's fun. This video is any indication of all of what the rest of my videos are going to be like. By the third video, I'll have lit myself on fire, and by video 10, I'll be dead. So, look forward to that.